COVID-19 quarantine rules across Indian states and cities. India's domestic and international travel operations are being guarded and guided by strict safety measures. Different states and cities have announced different quarantine rules for passenger arrivals. Here is a curated list of some travel protocols being implemented across the country. Mumbai. A 14-day home isolation is mandatory for all domestic flight passengers arriving in Mumbai, as per the governing civic body of Mumbai. All travelers will be stamped on their left hand for identification upon arrival in Maharashtra. They shall self-monitor their health during the 14-day home quarantine. Government officials who wish to seek exemption from home quarantine need to take prior approval by writing to amc.projects@mcgm.gov.in. For international passengers, there is a 7-day institutional quarantine followed by 7 days of home quarantine. Delhi. While in some cities COVID test is compulsory, Delhi doesn't need a test. The city has been taking stringent measures for all international arrivals. They need to undergo 7 days of institutional quarantine at government facility at no cost or paid quarantine at designated hotels. Following this, they need to undergo 7 days of home isolation. For domestic passengers, the city has a straightforward rule of 7 days of home quarantine. Uttarakhand. Travelers coming from high load COVID-19 infected cities need to undertake 7 days of institutional quarantine followed by 7 days of home quarantine, and those coming from less affected cities need to be in home quarantine for 14 days. Passengers carrying a negative PCR test result not earlier than 72 hours from the time of arrival can enter the state without any restrictions. All passengers travelling to Uttarakhand need to register on state website smartcitydehradun.uk.gov.in. Punjab. International passengers arriving in Punjab will be in 7 days of institutional quarantine followed by 7 days of home quarantine. For domestic travellers, 14 days of mandatory home quarantine is needed. There is an exemption for business and corporate travellers staying in the state for 72 hours or less. COVID-19 tests will be performed on a random basis. All passengers must register on Kova Punjab app before commencing their journey. Boarding pass shall be considered as an e-pass for travel to and from the airport during curfew period, Saturday, Sunday and public holidays. Goa. All passengers arriving in Goa may have to undergo 14 days of home quarantine, or they can opt for a 14-day paid institutional quarantine. Institutional quarantine is mandatory for symptomatic passengers until the test result is out. This news is brought to you by My Tour Club. My Tour Club is a great source of knowledge, travel inspiration and travel support. WhatsApp us at +91 8474 11116 for joining My Tour Club WhatsApp community. Thank you.